Let's get into principle number 7 of Napoleon Hill's principle of success. And that is, he saw that most successful people were good and fast decision makers. So if you are spending too much time in the planning is great, but spending too much time in planning, that's a yellow flag. That's a warning sign. And you've got to defeat procrastination with decisiveness. You got to cut through the procrastination with decisiveness. Those who know what they want go after it and tend to get what they want. There's a somewhat of a controversial and not always a correct wisdom in here, but it tends to work. Making a bad decision is often better than not making a decision at all. Getting into something, plowing into a business completely blindly, yeah, it's bad. But over-planning is also bad. And if you over-plan, you never start. So somewhere in there, you've got to start, even if your plan is not 100% perfect. In the startup world, that's also true. The wisdom is launch early, improve rapidly, of course. So you got to launch, and that decision making is something we're going to tackle in the next video with some practical advice.